Okay guys, 2024 Kia Sportage EX, all-wheel drive, sends you from Real Deal Auto. This is a buyer, there was a buyback, OEM buyback, no accidents. So buybacks they have, get fixed by the factory and then put back on the market, still have factory warranty, but there is that brand on the title. It will say manufacturer's buyback. But whatever the factory warranty is left on it is still available. Big panoramic sunroof. All-weather floor mats. See, so 26,062 on the miles. Heated seats, wireless phone charging, adaptive cruise, lane assist, power everything. Backup camera. All your different options here. This does have a locking differential, auto hold button, smart key. Does have blind spot monitors in there. VIN number. Clean rig, 26,000 miles. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.